Today I'm going to show you the proper way to flat iron. I have seen it many a times. I'll stay at a hotel room with friends and I watch my girlfriends flat iron their hair and it is crazy to me. So typically what I see people do is they just pick up a chunk and then they take their iron and they go and then they go like this and then they do it like 10 times and it's not getting that straight, sleek, flat iron look that you when you leave the salon. And that's because you're taking too much hair and the hair is all crooked. You really need to use a comb with your flat iron. So I'm going to show you a trick that's going to nail it every time if you want that straight, smooth look. And it's going to be less damaging on your hair too because you're not going to have to go 10 times on the same hair with your hot flat iron, okay? So I'm going to take small sections. That right there is more than enough, okay? No more. I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to put my flat iron directly behind it. And I'm slowly going to move down and see the hair is nice and perfectly straight. So that's what's going to give you that straight look in one swipe. It may take a couple, but if you have real thick curlier hair, but for her, she shouldn't use more than one swipe down. So now I'm going to do this side too. I'm going to just show you one more. Again, my trick is chase the flat iron with the comb and you will get it every time. Try it when it's your first time, try it with the iron off because it does take a little getting used to and I don't want you to damage your hair. But I'm so used to it, I can do it without a mirror. I can look at my hair, so I'll do it right now. Coming through. Sort of. Maybe I do need a little bit of a mirror, but the general idea is to take your comb and chase the flat iron. Slowly. Okay? And then you go through the hair. You just go one section by section and chase the comb with your, oops, sorry girl. Don't get your earring. You got a lot of earrings on that ear.
I do.
All right, I hope you guys learned something. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments below this video. I'm happy to answer them for you.